Hi, this is Vinay Akiredi. So in the previous video, we have saw how to set a business group. So now after creation of a business group, we need to set the profile options. So let's go and see how to set the profile options for the business group. So navigate to System Administrator and go for Profiles, System. Application is here. We're supposed to give the application name as Human Resource, and select the responsibility as well as Human Resource Enterprise. Where is it? Here, Human Resource Vision Enterprise. We need to give the options as HR. Here it says VSBG, but we have given as test underscore Texas. Fine. So this is our business group which we have created in the earlier video, Texas Business Group. Now save the work. One transaction completed, one record applied and saved. So the business group which we have created, we have set up the security options, and now navigate to General Ledger, Vision Operations USA. Done. So now what happened? We have created a business group. Now the legal entity, that means we need to give the transaction, and then need to create the primary ledger. So what happened? We have set up locators, we have created the business group, and we have created the profile options. Now create 3 C's: chart of accounts, currencies, and calendars. Let's see. Okay, now chart of accounts. For the chart of accounts, we need to go to setup, financials, flexifields, key flexifields, segments. Now query it, find. So general ledger, just find it. Here we need to give accounting flexifields. So the account information will be stored here. So just want to give a new fields here. Click on the new button here. As you can see, this is a find, this is a new. So click on new. So we have given the test Texas business group. So we'll give a name as test TXCOA. Just give some meaningful name, like I have given the test. We have given the Texas business group, so I given the Texas chart of accounts. Description: test Texas chart of accounts, and click on the segments. 01. Just give us one name, company, segment 1, and the value sets. We'll just see the value sets in a few minutes. Come to 2, department, and we'll give as MENT segment 2. 3 and giving here accounts, 3 accounts, and here segment 3, 4, 1, I'm getting as product, segment 4, and I just want to give a future period, because once we have to do the KFF for once we create the chart of accounts, we can't change, we can't give it as, for example, here I gave 4 if I want to use the 5th one. So I may not use this account. So I'm supposed to create a future accounting. So I give here 5th as future and a segment 5. Sorry for the delay. Yeah, so I just gave the future period here just because in case if I want to use another segment values here, I can just rename the future and I can give the proper name. Future segment 5, and here the value sets. Now click on the value sets here and create a new value set for company. So I'm just giving as underscore tx underscore vs company Texas value set. Just give some meaningful name. Company Texas value set, and just give the size as 20. Here there are different kinds of validations, validation types. Here I am supposed to select as independent and save it, close it, and here I give as dxvs. So this is what. And the department in the same way, click on value sets, dpt dxvs, same way 20, and independent, save. So I could upload and save the changes. Department dxvs, assign it. Same way for accounts, click on the value sets again, SEC underscore tx underscore vs. I just want to give a name, description, account, taxes, yes, and validation type independent. Save it, close it. SECTX, product, port underscore tx underscore vs, description as product access vs, and we get a size 720 and validation type independent. Save it, close, and assign it. D underscore, let's find it. So product underscore Texas vs. In the future, value set FRT underscore tx underscore vs. Future Texas vs. This is for the future periods. Go ahead and save it. Close. Now, future Texas vs. For company, we need to assign a FlexiField qualifier. Here we put the FlexiField qualifier. Okay, we need to save the work before applying it. You can see the transaction complete, 6 records applied and saved. Now the FlexiField qualifier. So for this, for company, we supposed to use the balancing segment. Just enable the checkbox for the balancing segment for company. Save it. One record applied and saved, then close it. For department, I need to select the cost center. Save it and close it. And for accounts, click on the field qualifier, and for this thing, natural accounting segments, click on it. Once it's enabled, save it and close it. So these are the 3 mandatory things. There are 3 mandatory FlexiField qualifiers which we need to give. The department, which we can or may not, it's not a mandatory, but company and account, we need to mention the qualifier. Now save your complete work, close it. Now freeze the FlexiField definitions. Once you have freeze, you may not change it. You cannot change any. You cannot make any changes. Just make sure you don't want to make any more changes in the FlexiField segments before freezing the FlexiField. Unfreeze the change. So if you want to make any changes, just see if you go on this one segments, it comes in this way, but you don't get any chance to change. So what happens if you want to make any changes? Unfreeze this one. That's what it asks for. Okay, now you can make any changes in that way. So now I doesn't want to make any changes, so I will freeze this one. Okay, then I will compile it. Compilation FlexiField definition. Okay, now my FlexiField has been successfully compiled. Okay, just click on view, request, find. You can see the flex field is being generating. Completed normal. So we have created a flexible field, that is KFF. Now close the window. Now you give the segments. For the segments, you need to derive the values. Now for this one, the navigation is setups, financials, flexifields, key, values. Application. So what is this application? It's general ledger, accounting, flex fields, and structure. What is our structure? It's test underscore tx, text underscore tx underscore chart of accounts. So first, what we do with our segment 1? Segment 1 is company. Now the general ledger, accounting flex field, and the structure is test tx COA, and the segment is company. Click on find. Now grab the values. So for the company, I want a Q like 01, and the description is USA or ADIONS operations. In the qualifiers, allow budgeting yes, allow posting yes. Same way, want to queue one other. It's USA manufacturing. The qualifiers, give to yes for the budgeting, yes for the posting, and click on OK. The third one, 03, USA sales. I want to queue here the company as cars. Qualifier, yes, yes, and click on OK. Now save your work. Now we have created for accounts. That means company. Company comes in the segment 1. So we have 5 segments in our chart of accounts. So let's go for the other one. Values. General ledger. And accounting. Fields and test underscore taxes, chart of accounts. Now it's department. Click on find. Now queue the values for the departments. One. Let's create departments like sales department, allow budgeting yes and allow posting yes. Create under department like 002. Tag you here as clerk. business. The department 003, and I give here as mobile department. Save it. You can see the transaction completed, 3 records applied and saved. Now we have finished the company and department. Now go for accounts. Find, create values for accounts. What's that? Yes. Values. General ledger. Accounts. Dust. XUA. Accounts. Click on find. One. Accounts like cash account. Allow budgeting S, allow posting S, account type expenses, third party controls no, perfect. Now the same way, create one more account, 02, and I just want to make changes here, just okay. Check. Yes. Let's want to use 0002. Same way, 120001. I just want to do one more account. It's bank. Qualifier, budgeting S, posting S, die, okay. Then save it, close it. Okay, again we need to queue, general ledger, accounting.
Vinay, Prashant and call చేస్తాడు. 1 month ప్రాజెక్ట్కి ప్రశాంత్ అని కాల్ చేస్తాడు. తర్వాత వాడుకో విమల్ కూడా కాల్ చేస్తాడు. చాలా కన్ఫర్మ్ పొజిషన్స్ తీసుకోండి కాల్.
Okay, and here the title is account. Come on, close this. Backspace. Account. Flex fields and structure is test underscore dx coa and left root is product. And click on find. Give the values here. I want to queue 001. Yes, for the change. 100. 100. Description as I can give like products like toothpaste, yes, I want to give one more product like 101 vials, the qualifier, yes, save your work. The only remaining is future. What just happened? General ledger, title as account, as test underscore tx, future account, find. So here I just want to do 1 T. Yes. Let's save the work. So we have derived here all the file which I mentioned: future accounts, products, company, department, and accounts. So we have created the chart of accounts, we have the segments, we have created the values for it. Close it, close the window, done. So we have created the chart of accounts. Now we need to derive the currencies and calendar. Profile setups, currencies, define. The code is USD. And we keep a different code like 17 USD 17. Name, yes, dollar. Description, yes, dollar. Territory and symbol. As United States, and symbol as dollar, and I just want to give a description too. That's fine, that's fine. Perfect. Now save it. It's USD 17. Transaction complete. One record applied and saved. Okay. Okay, so we have created the calendars. We need to create a calendars. We have created the currencies and we have created the chart of accounts. Now we need to create calendars.